Hey, adding a long weekend to this long lockdown will give many home handy DIY types a chance to tackle some of those nagging procrastination projects around the house. Here to share some tips from roof to basement is contractor Peter Glaw from Premier Quality Renovations. Peter, good to see you. How are you?
Good morning. Thank you very much. Good.
Peter, now you've added a virtual option to your business, and I think that's cool. You got to be nimble in these times, as the Prime Minister said. So before we get to your show and tell, is there anything for the DIY people out there who want to do something around the house right now that they cannot do, by law or code while we're under these guidelines of lockdown?
Yeah, so somebody's doing it by themselves, you can do anything you want to by yourselves. Now, if you're going to bring in a trade, that's a different story. That's when you can only bring in a trade that's deemed to be an essential service, an emergency in your house. Your roof is leaking, your sink water pipes are gone, your electrical, you have fuse problems, that type of thing.
I see. So nothing cosmetic, right? If I just wanted to do something to change things up and not smash a wall down, but I get into some trouble, that's trouble. That's on you, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, Peter, let's go kitchen sink. Leaky pipes can drive us mad. Tell us how we deal with it.
Well, I'll tell you what happened. Last week, we had a fella call us, and he said, Peter, I have a leak underneath my kitchen sink. I says, fantastic. Let's take a look at it together. What kind of phone do you have? I've got an iPhone. Well, so do I. So I held up my iPhone. Let's FaceTime together. Let's take a look underneath your sink. I diagnosed a problem over the phone virtually and found it was the trap in his pipe coming out of the sink. I said, do you have a wrench? Yes. Undo the two collar nuts. Let's take it off, put some Teflon tape on it, put it back up, and run your water for me. So he ran his water. We took a look together virtually as if it was right beside him. Problem solved.
Oh, that's awesome. So is that a sort of a temporary fix until he can get something, more permanent, or is that it?
No, that's it. It's a permanent fix.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so, I guess people don't necessarily have to buy a whole new set of really exotic tools right now. They can just pretty much go with what they got, and you can help them out virtually. It's cool.
Absolutely. We had another fellow call. He had a roof leak all around his skylight. Water was coming in. Same thing. We got on the phone together as if I was right beside him. We looked around, looked at the shingles. They were horrible shape. Same time, I got my roofer linked up. So three of us on the phone looking at it virtually. And what happened is we discovered we needed a new roof badly. A few days later, we changed his roof and problem solved.
Oh, that's awesome. It's amazing what we can do when we're put in a situation where we got to be a little more flexible, huh? Did you ever foresee any of this? I mean, was this a part of your business model that existed at all before?
We've always been doing consultation, but mostly in-home consultation. And we've been doing online consulting also, but now it's busy. We get calls 24/7. Wow. And like to help the people out.
Okay, let's talk about broken dryer. You tell me your story, and then I'll tell you mine.
Same thing. A couple of weeks ago, a fella called us up. Every time he turned on his dryer, it would stop. And I said, okay, let's take a look at it together. Same thing. We got on the phone together. We looked at the situation. I says, take me to your fuse panel with your telephone. We took a look at it. His wife turned on the dryer. Every time she turned on, it tripped the breaker. Same thing. We got our electrician on the phone. We looked at it with the three of us. We discovered it was a certain breaker. The electrician got the breaker, came into his home, and replaced the breaker. Problem solved. It's electrical problem.
It's electrical. See, with mine, it's actually not the dryer. It's a washing machine, and it's filling the trap where I put in the liquid soap. Fills up with water all the time, and I look at this machine, it's like a computer. I think I need an IT guy. I'm not sure that I need someone to repair it, but you know what? Maybe I'll give you a call. So far, we've been okay with it. Peter, real quick, we're just running out of time. Give us your contact information so people can get in touch with you if they need help.
George, my contact is premier-renovations.com, and people can call us anytime. Thank you.
Awesome. Contractor Peter Glaw, thank you so much for your time. You've done great stuff for us today already. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.